tank of gas to get up here. I don't know if we have enough to get back. I guess, what do you think we should do?
We might have to ask one of the people who live around here and see if they got enough spare gas.
Alright.
You good?
What? Wow.
That was something else.
Stinking Planet of the Apes, man.
What do you think it was?
I don't know, but we're going to send it down to my friend down in San Diego. He'll analyze it. There ain't no monkeys out here, man. There's no monkeys out here. At all.
There's no going back.